Hi, I'm Dr. Dean Kane. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon in practice for 40 years. Welcome to my practice, my office, and my gallery. During the past 20 years, I've also been very fruitful in making lots of interesting art. I call it photo sculpture. The reason is because I take pictures of flowers and I reinvent them and morph them in Photoshop, cut them out individually, paint them with acrylics, put them together in 3 dimensions, and lacquer them. So this is a calendar of flowers because of the 12 different flowers. Many people have asked me to do another wall similar to this, so I've created a new calendar of 16 different little ladies, which when you take a look at them, look like dancing, whimsical, bold little women. Because of this, I've got 16 of them, and it can be placed in a modular style across a wall or up a wall. I hope you like it, and I'll be back to show you some more.